Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to add ICP token to Trust Wallet. All right, so your first step in adding the ICP token to Trust Wallet is open up your browser. With your browser opened up, you can use this to take note of the ICP network token, and once you've taken note of this, simply copy its contract address. Minimize and open up the Trust Wallet application. So make sure you have your Trust Wallet installed and set up. So with your Trust Wallet installed and set up, at the top of the screen, you'd find the search icon. So click on this search icon and paste the contract address. If you paste the contract address and you cannot find the token via its contract address, simply use the search bar to search for ICP, which is the Internet Computer Protocol. So click on the token, and by selecting this token, you could easily send or receive by copying your wallet address, which is here, and then you can send out by clicking on send, entering the destination tag, the address, and then its amount. So guys, that's how you can get it done. Comment down below if you have a question, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.